I thought it was great. A lot of fun, good interaction, a lot of good knowledge. Taught you a lot about the system that possibly we could go to. So I had fun with that.
It was very clever, too, I must admit. So ultimately, on the other side, did you feel more encouraged as a result of the experience?
I did. I thought it was really encouraging. You get there. It is friendly competition. I mean, everybody loves to win, and it was fun. It was a lot of fun. It kept you engaged in what was going on around you. So.
It was really wonderful. I was really amazed with it and all the interactive activities we had. We haven't had nothing like that before. So it was really good, and all the managers at my table, they was real interactive on it as well. So it was real good. Yeah, that encouraged me to go back and encourage my managers even more.
Fantastic. Thanks
Yeah.
for stopping.
Well, you did a really great job. I mean, when I saw you, I was like, what was it going to be like? And then you came out, and I was like, oh, yes. Your team, all the little jam guys and everybody, girls around, I really enjoyed it. I really did.
That's great.
This was the best. This was the best.
Yeah, you did a great job, and it's nice to hear how we can motivate and that we do have it inside of us. And just people asking, who inspires you. And I actually wrote and told someone about someone in the room. So then to think, I wonder if I inspire anyone, just gets you thinking. And I appreciate your message today.
So it made me kind of think about it and to take it back to the store and try to work with it and to better myself as an inspirator.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
yeah, this is actually my employee, so I hope every day I inspire her
You
a little
do?
because she inspires me.
you do.
And so, yeah, we can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.